Hey guys, in another video you saw me put some new tubes into my Hughes and Kettner Tubemeister 18 watt head. I put some Mullard EL84s in it and some Tung Sol 12 AX7s, and I just made a little bit of a video to sort of compare the sounds. Unfortunately I couldn't record them both on the same day. It was getting a little late and the family wanted to go to sleep and I was making too much noise, so I tried to record the before and after and as close as possible. So the EQs didn't change. I made sure not to touch the EQs. The volume might be a little bit different. There's a different camera position, so the microphone on the camera might pick up a different sort of sound. And I didn't have the master volume up very loud in the second recording. The kind of sounds that I'm doing are sort of loud bedroom volume, so not enough to keep up with the drum kit, but loud enough that you can still hear it around the house. So it's still pretty loud. So I'm yet to try these tubes really opened up. I haven't turned it up to sort of playing with the drum kit sort of gigging volume, so I'm pretty excited to do that. But here's the results. Okay, so as I was editing that, I was seeing a big difference. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there was a lot less fizz in the distortion channel, and that was even at lower volumes. You can probably tell that the aftershocks with the new tubes in it was recorded at a lower volume. You can hear my pick attack, but in the other video with the stock tube, you can't hear my pick, and it's fizzier. I mean, there's a different camera position, but I definitely think that it's cut down on some fizz and made it a little bit smoother, a creamier overdrive, it said in the description of the tubes. And I also tried it out with my LTD snakebite that has EMGs in it, and that definitely sounded a lot better. So I think the active pickups really reacted well to the new tubes. And the passives, I think I just need to feel it out a little bit more and see how it goes, but I definitely feel a difference. And I think the clean sound on the Gibson, it sounded, there was more clarity, I think. So it will be great once I get to really open up the power tubes a bit more and get some volume. But because I live in a house with 4 other people, sometimes it's hard to find the time. So I'm really excited about that. Maybe I'll try and jam with a mate of mine and see how it goes. But I definitely think the tubes have made a difference. But what do you guys think? Do you think it was worth me spending that money on it? Because I certainly do. And sometimes with music gear, it's incremental upgrades that make a difference. You pair a quality guitar with quality pickups and then a quality amp, and then you upgrade a few things and start sounding really good. So I think it was well worth doing, and hopefully you guys can hear better results than me, because my ears aren't very musical. I can pick up a few things. I like to think I have an ear for tone, and I'm still working it out, but maybe really gearheads can sort of pick out the difference. Okay, see you later, guys.